Hello, this is Crowe. I'm here today to do another video for Aisa Love's 100K Babes Mastermind training. We're to discuss something we learned. One thing that Aisa mentioned in the last webinar was that we need to do an income producing activity every day. So what I decided to do was I decided to take one of the products and do a review of the product. So I went to the marketplace and I chose the Bullrunners tank top. The Bullrunners tank top, what I did was I selected all of the information. Everything that was there, I selected all of it. Then I went to ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, I told ChatGPT to write me a video script using the information on this product. So ChatGPT wrote me a video script. However, ChatGPT, because I said Bullrunners tank top, ChatGPT thought this was a tank top for runners. So the entire video talks about running. But then also, I told ChatGPT to write me a title. And so ChatGPT wrote the title. Well, since I already had the script and the title, I went ahead and created a video. Maybe that tank top is not designed for just running, but anyway, the whole article kind of discusses running. And I went ahead and finished the video, and I posted that video on YouTube. So what I will do is I will also show you that video right now, and then later in the video I'm going to come back and discuss what I did next. So here's the first video, the review of the Bullrunners, or a video script about the Bullrunners tank top, where that ChatGPT thinks that it's a running tank top.
The Bullrunners tank top. Unleash your inner runner with Bullrunners tank top, the ultimate performance gear. Running is more than just a hobby. For many of us, it's a way of life. And as runners, we know that the right gear can make all the difference in our performance. That's why we're excited to introduce the Bullrunners tank top. This tank top is more than just your average running shirt. It's a high-performance garment that will keep you cool, comfortable, and looking great on every run. Let's take a closer look. The Bullrunners tank top is made with a unique blend of 82% polyester and 18% spandex. This fabric has a four-way stretch, which means it moves and recovers with your body in every direction. And the microfiber yarn is incredibly soft and smooth against your skin. But what really sets the Bullrunners tank top apart is its precision cut and hand-sewn construction. Each shirt is made to order, so you can be sure that you're getting a product that's tailored specifically to you. And here's the best part. By making products on demand, Bullrunners is helping to reduce overproduction and waste. So when you order a Bullrunners tank top, you're not just getting a great product, you're also making a positive impact on the environment. But let's not forget the most important thing: how does it perform? The Bullrunners tank top is designed with runners in mind. It's breathable, moisture-wicking, and quick-drying, so you can focus on your run without feeling weighed down by your clothes. And when you look good, you feel good. The Bullrunners tank top comes in a range of sizes, so you can find the perfect fit for your body type. And the sleek, modern design will have you feeling confident and stylish on every run. So what are you waiting for? Add the Bullrunners tank top to your running wardrobe today. It's more than just a shirt, it's a symbol of your dedication to your sport and your commitment to the environment. Thanks for watching, and happy running. Click the link in the description below to get your Bullrunners tank top.
After I completed the first video, the Bullrunners tank top, where it was a running tank top, I went back to ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, I actually copied the entire description again, but this time, instead of Bullrunners tank top, I changed the wording of that to women's tank top by Bullrunners. And I had ChatGPT to write me another video script. And this one was talking about just wearing this in all situations. So, and I told ChatGPT also to write me another title. So ChatGPT wrote the title. So both of the videos, ChatGPT wrote the script and it did the title. So I went ahead and I created a second video. When I created the second video, I posted it on YouTube. I posted on YouTube, and both videos, I put them on Facebook and I put them on Twitter. And so here's the second video where that it will show you the second video where it's presenting it where it's a woman's tank top.
Unleash your full potential with the women's tank top from Bullrunners. Sustainable, sleek, and made just for you. If you're an active woman, you know the importance of having high-quality workout gear that can keep up with your routine. One piece of gear that should never be overlooked is a good tank top, and the women's tank top from Bullrunners is an excellent choice. This tank top is the ultimate performance gear that every active woman needs. Made from a blend of 82% polyester and 18% spandex. It offers a four-way stretch, allowing the fabric to move and recover with your body in every direction. Whether you're running, lifting weights, or practicing yoga, this tank top will keep up with you every step of the way. But the women's tank top isn't just high-performing. It's also made with a smooth, comfortable microfiber yarn that feels great against your skin. You'll love the way it feels as you push yourself to your limits during your workout. Its precision-cut and hand-sewn construction truly sets the women's tank top apart. Each shirt is made to order, ensuring that you receive a product that's tailored specifically to your body. By making products on demand instead of in bulk, Bullrunners is helping to reduce overproduction and waste, making it a responsible and sustainable choice for conscious consumers. The women's tank top is available in a range of sizes, so you can find the perfect fit for your body type. Its sleek, modern design will have you feeling confident and stylish on every workout, and its high-performance properties will keep you comfortable and supported from start to finish. Not only is the women's tank top a great choice for your workouts, but it's also a responsible choice for the planet. By choosing a product that's made on demand, you're helping to reduce waste and overproduction, making it a sustainable choice for conscious consumers. So what are you waiting for? Don't let your workout be compromised by ill-fitting and uncomfortable clothes. Upgrade your activewear game with the women's tank top from Bullrunners and feel confident and comfortable during every workout. And the best part? You'll be making a positive impact on the planet by choosing a product that's sustainably made just for you. Take a step towards a better and more responsible future by making thoughtful purchasing decisions. Click the link in the description below to order your women's tank top now and start your journey toward a happier, healthier you.
Maybe this video won't be too long since I'm speaking 3 times and then also including 2 videos. But what I'd like to do is I'm going to try to cut down the size of it. So when I edited this in the Windows video editor, when I saved it, there's 3 types of resolution. There's high definition, there's medium, and low. I chose the low resolution. By using the low resolution, it gets a much smaller file. So maybe then with a much smaller file, then I can upload it to YouTube and through Aisa's form a lot quicker. Thanks for watching. I'd appreciate your comments, and I'll be seeing you in another video.